Hey, this is Sanjay Rao here. Creating content is very easy if you know how. After you finish watching this video, you are surely going to say, oh, that was very easy. Remember, your content has to be unique. If you just copy and paste it from someone else, your followers will think that you are just stealing the content, so they will unfriend you. Your content should be dependent on the likes of your friends and followers so that they will engage with your post. That should be our final aim. Create at least 10 posts before you start adding friends. Also make sure that you read books on marketing or personal development every now and then. We'll let you know how to get those books for free in this video too. So let's begin. This is the post. This is my first post done on 30th April. So it's a story. It's a story about an abundance mindset. I had read it somewhere earlier. I don't remember where. But I had that in my mind. So I just put it out here in my own words. If you see this post, I had created this text is in bold. So let me show you how to create this text in bold. You have to just go to yaytext.com. Here you just paste whatever you want to be in bold. Here I have just already pasted abundance is within you. Scroll down and only use bold serif or bold sans. Only this looks good on the Facebook mobile application, else they won't be able to read what you have mentioned. So either copy this text or copy this text. For copying you just need to click on the copy and that's it. Let's go back to the Facebook post. Here all you need to do is just paste it out here. Remember to put some emojis every time you create a post if possible. That looks good and attractive too. The next post was about pain and pleasure are two sides of the same coin. I just created this using Canva. You can select Facebook post video on the Canva. Let me just show you an example out here. Just go to Canva and select, search for Facebook post video. You'll get lots of such examples out here. Select the one that looks good and you can just say if you want to select this, you can select this and all you need to do is change the text. You can refer to my previous video on how to create a Canva. Once you have done change the text, you can say happy Thursday. You can view by playing this video. These are some additional elements out here which you can easily delete. This was just for an example. Just click here, download the video and post it to your Facebook. That's it. That's how simple it is. Next you can see this post. So see, I had received this line. I am sorry, I forgive you, I thank you, I love you on WhatsApp. I just added this line. This is one of the best prayer you should say as you wake up to live another day. And then I added this line which I had copied from my WhatsApp, which was sent to me by a friend. So that's how you create your own unique post. This again, I think I had created using Crello, C-R-E-L-L-O app on an Android. You can just download that Crello app. It's very easy. And then I had copied this post. Actually, I didn't change anything from here onwards. I just changed a little bit on the first line because I am giving a credit to this guy and I didn't want to change anything out of from here. Where did I get this from? Okay, as you remember, I told you you can get a free ebooks. All you need to do is go to pdfdrive.com. This is the place where you can get free ebooks. Search for the ebooks, or you can say motivational or personal development or marketing. You'll get lots and lots of books out here. All you need to do is click on that book and then it will give you option if there are two. You can just select download PDF and then it will download the PDF to your computer. That's it. So this is the book which I had downloaded. It's called Advanced Social Media Marketing. How to lead, launch and manage a successful social media program. And while I was going through this book, I had highlighted and kept it for my future reference. This is the part. I had copied this exactly as it is, but this line I had changed and so that it looks unique out here. There. So I had just kept this line out as it is. Again, I had created a bold text just for clear visibility. And then instead of the first line, I just said tried and tested framework by Kavani, who founded and runs the social media agency and the marketing Zen group. Right now, this again I created using Canva. If you read this text, you might remember something. It's the lyrics from Circle of Life there by Elton John. I just copied this 4 lines which I like most into the Canva image and just pasted it out here. Uploaded the image to the Facebook, says Circle of Life. Another one, okay, this is not copied anywhere, this is from my own. So as you go on posting, you will be learning something new which you can put it out here. This will be your unique post. So I see lots of brand marketers selling using fear as a tool. Like example, what would happen to your family if you die, etc., etc. But I am very much against this, so that's why I wrote this post about it. Don't create a fear, because it's not a right way to market. Yes, creating fear will make them buy, but they won't stick with you for long if you do that. This one, if you see out here, if you just paste 2 lines, the font size increases, gives you a better visibility. Again, this is from some of the book which I had read earlier. I have just remembered it and put it in my own words out here. Again, this is from the, okay, this content, like half the world's problem can be solved if you don't hurry and worry. I had created this content on my own, but based on this line out here. On this day, I remember I had a writer's block. So I just took one of the book and then just browsed it, and I found this line out there. It said, half the worry in the world is caused by people trying to make decisions before they have sufficient knowledge on which to base a decision. This is the book which I referred it from. I just selected only this line, and based on this text, I created my own post right out here. So this is, all these lines is nothing to do with that book. Only this line is to do with that book. I just took this as a baseline and created my own post. So if you get a writer's block, this is the best way to write your own post. Again, this is from this quote I received on a WhatsApp from my friend, so I just added the text out here. This is my own one, so not a copied one. Next post is fail well. Again, this I created using Canva. It says fail well. Knowing that you have failed and analyzing and taking action to correct it is a success in itself. It's not copied from anywhere. I just created in my own words. Let me take you to the next post. Yeah, this post is rewritten by me, but I had seen this post in one of the influencers timeline. Her name is Christina Hooper. She had put out here the post out here. It says 10 Facebook marketing tips. So these are the tips which says, and you can look out here what to post. Think of the 3 E's: entertain, educate, and empower. How true. So I just selected this as a baseline and created my own out here. It's not an exact copy, not really near it to, but this is my post. So again, at the end, instead of creating 10 lines, at the end I just mentioned that if you think there are more points that can be added, do write those in the comments. So this will create an engagement on my post. Remember, I had not sent lots of friend requests. It's just around 10 friends requests which I had sent. I will be explaining that in the next video, because I wanted to show you how to send a friend and how to engage with them before I send more requests. So there are not much engagements out here. This is just for an entertainment out of the 3 E's which I showed. No matter how big your house is, how recent your car is, how big your bank account is, our graves will be the same. Stay humble. You see this quote everywhere, but this guy added one more line out here. Speak for yourself, peasant. This is the graves, it's a pyramid, and it's exactly opposite what it says here. How big your house is, how recent your car is, how big your bank is, our graves will be the same size. Just a joke out here. And this is the free bonus that I'm going to offer to my friends. It's just a bait. Right now I don't have any program as such, but I thought this will be a good one to engage with your friends. So I just uploaded this out here. This is the post. Okay, let me expand this. This is quite a big post, and I look out here. I added an image also in here. I will tell you where to get this free images from. But this post is another way you can get these posts from. It's called Quora. Quora. Just go here and search for network marketing. This is the link where I got this post from. Here, it's quite a huge long post. I didn't copy exactly the same. I just read through it and made my own post out here. And created an image. That's it. Very easy. You just need to change the wordings so that it looks unique, as if you have created this own. And this is the final post which I created today. Let me show you. This video says,
You can't go lower than where you are now. Bottom. When you hit a rock bottom, the only direction left is up. You can't go lower than where you are now. Cheer up, my friend. Have a great day, Sanjay Rao. When you hit a rock bottom.
I have branded my name out here. It's very easy. Just go to the internet, go on the internet, search for some motivational or inspirational text message. Copy this text, go to contentsamurai.com. Here you start your free trial. This trial is only for 7 days. So remember, you create a free trial and you can create as many videos as you want in the first 7 days without any watermarks. Once you are logged in, all you need to do is go to the script section out here, script menu on the left side. Put your text, inspirational text which you just copied out here. You can have your name down out here. Have a great day, and it's my name out here. That's it. Click on create scenes. Based on the text, it will automatically use the image best suited for this, and this is how it will look like. You can just click, if you don't like this image, you can click over here. You can say click on the images and search for some different images. Like you can say gratitude and say go. It will give various options. You can select one, and so it will replace this image in the background. Once you feel that all the images are correct, you can just click on add voice track to your video. Here you can say auto voice and click the one which you like, the voice which you like. Either from Australia, there's options of Australia, United Kingdom or USA. Play a sample if you want. to hear the voice. Otherwise, you can just say music only. You don't want any. If you don't want any voice track, just click on music only. If you want to record your own voice, that option too is available out here. If you want to upload a voice track, you can click on here and upload your voice. So next, you just click on preview video. It takes some time. Click on the play.
When you hit a rock bottom, the only direction left is up. You can't go lower than where you are now. Cheer up, my friend. Have a great day, Sam.
Okay, so if this looks good for you, just click on looks good and continue and download it. That's it. That's how simple it is. You know what? People will ask you how you created this. And since you know that, you are a leader to them. That's how you start attracting people to you. So before I finish off, let me tell you about these two sites. It's called pexels.com, pexels.com, and unsplash.com. Both these sites offers you unlimited images for free. You can use any of these images and edit it to add your text, or you can just say go to inspiration and you can just upload this images directly as it is. If you have any doubts, just message me. Sanjay Rao here signing off. Have a great day.